Okay. Now, that is what we need. It's only a single though. Daytona triple. He's got it tied on to there. All right, howdy YouTube. I'm gonna turn my heated grips on. It's a little chilly. We finally got some rain, hallelujah. And it greened up our hills, thank goodness, because we did not have rain all winter long. So we had a nice 3-day storm and it just greened everything up like a miracle. Like Miracle-Gro, baby. Oh, that's cute. That little lake or pond filled up very nicely. Very nice. I love it. I love that little pond. I got these new pants. They're like leggings. Built-in knee pads. They are the bomb. They are so nice. I'll have to look them up for you girls. I can't remember what website I got them on. Oh my gosh, this bike. So I'm off to do my volunteer work. Headed to Chris Moto, motorcycle mechanic in San Luis Obispo. I usually go over there for about 4 hours, do a little volunteer work, help him out, whatever he needs. Could range from vacuuming his showroom to cleaning up in his garage to helping customers, learning how to do like invoices and stuff like that. Really loving this bike, my BMW S1000R. Works out good that I go on Tuesdays and Thursdays because those are the 2 days that Gary teaches at the local community college. And we'll have something to do in our retirement. You know, I've been riding for 2 years and I don't know, maybe like 3 months now. Deep breath. And I still get I still get, you know, a little twinge of nervousness every time I get ready to go for a ride. I was wondering if that was, you know, typical, normal butterflies in my stomach. Just wanted to share that with you, that I get nervous every time I go for a ride. And then after a few minutes, I kind of, you know, settle down. There's a group here in town called Slow Riders, and they do group rides, so I don't know, maybe once a month, like they call them dinner rides. And I was going to go on the last one, but they were going somewhere and it was going to be too dark when they were done, and I would have to ride up back over the grade, which I didn't want to do that at night. I'm not a nighttime rider. So I didn't go, and unfortunately, on the ride, a very experienced rider, I don't know what happened, if he took a turn too fast, I don't know, but he went down and died. You know, I saw on YouTube that lady rider who took a turn too fast. Sounds like she was a very experienced rider and died. So I'm like, yikes. So kind of, you know, a little freaked out. Just, I don't know. One of my prayers, the things that I say in my prayer before I ride, is that I always ride within my limits. No blinker. You're a really good driver. One thing about riding motorcycles is, man, it sure makes you a better driver all around. And I feel like my awareness of things that are going on all around me, my surroundings, surroundings is just up to another level. Hey guys, here I am at Chris Moto. This is the place that I volunteer at 2 days a week. And here's some of the bikes that he is currently working on or has already finished. There's my baby way back there. So I thought I'd give you a quick tour of a motorcycle mechanic shop. Oh, I get to go in here. All right, so here's the garage and a few things that he's working on right now. Check this out. Absolute nightmare. This one's been a nightmare for him. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like helping him out. I'm not sure how much I do, but it's kind of fun. So I'll show you his setup. It's kind of fun to look at all of his tools. So he's got just about everything you would need. Everything is nicely labeled. Oh, looks like a junk drawer. And what else? Oh, this is, he showed me how to do tires on this. I got to do that one day. And then this is the machine that balances the tires. But he's got some products that he sells. This is his leather suit. Guess he's quite the rider. Anyway, he's a really great guy. Let's close these back up. Everything is nicely organized. Whoa, dude. Run over my foot, won't ya? Whew. He's a big bird. Woo. Woo. Oh my gosh. So smooth. That guy's running barefoot. Wow. What a beamer. What a machine.
Another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.